I took over the team just last week. We started preparing. The team started preparing before I joined them. They had the physical exercises along the beach and on the pitch too. So when I came, I have to start off from where they left off. So that is what we've been doing since last week. And last weekend we had a game on Saturday, with a low-profile game, of course, and we won 3-1. We played 3 games, 30 minutes. So we won 3-1. That's a good start for us. It builds the confidence of the players. The players are good players. They are intelligent, but just that they need to be mentally tough. Now we are going to start full preparation from this week, and we imbibe the spirit of toughness into their minds. Technically and tactically, most of them are good. So the ones that are falling short, we'll have to correct them and push them up a little. I had a long football career. I played for so many years, and after 2004, I retired from active play and I joined the national team of Ghana as a goalkeeper coach. So since 2004, I've been with the senior national team of Ghana. We were in 2 World Cups, 2006 in Germany, 2010 in South Africa. Then after that, I came back and they reassigned me to the under-20 team as a goalkeeper coach there. But then I had a offer in South Africa, so I went to South Africa to work for a club there called Black Leopards as a goalkeeper coach there. Then I came back to Ghana again, and I joined the local teams there as a coach, assistant coach, and a goalkeeper coach. I worked for some time. Then I had opportunity to travel to Sudan to work briefly with a club in Sudan, Al Hilal. Then I came back again to Ghana, joined the last club that I left, Dreams FC, that I was with before Churchill Brothers gave me this appointment. Actually, I love Goa. That is why I chose to come back when Churchill contacted me. Goans are very accommodating. They are very friendly. They welcome people from outside Goa. That is why I chose to come back to Goa. When I was playing here, they gave me all the support that I needed. And Mr. Churchill Alima has been like a father to me. So I respect him a lot, and I have confidence in him. He has confidence in me too. Goa football, I think, should be on the rise by now. I believe should be on the rise. The last 15 years, I've not been in Goa, so I don't know what they've been doing, but I believe Goa football should be at the top when you talk about Indian football.